Hamster Kombat, how to invite friends. So basically, if you want to invite friends on Hamster Kombat, it is very simple to do so. First, you open the Hamster Kombat game. Now, inviting will act as a referral, and the more people you invite and refer, the more bonus you will get and the more points you earn, right? So come to the friends tab from the bottom right, and here you can say become a referral. So you and your friend will receive bonuses. Invite a friend plus 0.1 for you and your friend. Invite a friend who has Telegram Premium plus 0.3 for you and your friend. So you can click on the become a referral option. This will be basically your referral link right here. You want to make sure to copy the link and click on the add button right over there, and then you'll be able to add, and then you'll be able to invite those friends. So you can also click on invite a friend option from the bottom, and you can choose to invite them right from Telegram as well. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.